you must be the new student. I'm Miss Amanda, the art teacher. I should show you to your first class. This is your first class, Maths with Miss Circle.
Hello, I'm your math teacher, Miss Circle. May you please sit over there next to the short girl, please?
It Harry, Jim Molly, Molly Amanda, Itzi Aplesure Tomet Iu. Єсме воїце до соунд де пут їм 13 анд 2 фут ща. Гейдо Іули кестієнце. Беце усе Ітці ми фаворите субец.
Molly, why are you interrupting my class to talk about science? You can talk about science in your science class.
Sorry, Miss Цирцле.
Does anyone know the answer to this equation? HMM, Molly.
56 плюс 40 дорівнює ящ і тинк.
Correct. IT seems that the bell has rung. You all may go to your next class.
Well, hi there. I'm Charlie. Charlie Amanda. You might know me because my mom is Miss Amanda and my sister is Molly Amanda. I understand if I don't look like how Molly describes me, she exaggerates a lot. Oh Molly, how long have you been standing there? I definitely wasn't talking crap about you.
Чарлі і Герд вгад і усе їд аутме.